You searched how to buy shares of EQVA ASA, and in this clip, we'll walk through the steps to locate and purchase the stock. EQVA ASA is an industrial engineering and technology company listed on Euronext as EQVA.OL, and this video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker EQVA.OL to find the correct listing. Select the result that clearly shows EQVA ASA on Euronext. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the right security. Make sure the exchange reads Euronext and the ticker is EQVA.OL before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be pending until it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the order executes, your EQVA ASA position will appear in your portfolio and holdings list. A link to the broker is in the description if you want to open an account or learn more.